Hey guys, 7th grade review preview video for the week. So last week we started off, or earlier this week I should say, with our Hammurabi DBQ. On Monday we did the background questions. You guys highlighted the background essay, the important parts that you needed. We went through the pre-bucketing process, and that's about as far as we got on Monday. On Tuesday we completed from documents A through E. Did not quite get to the pages 23 and 25, but we picked those up again on Wednesday, finished those, did the bucketing, did a bit of a hash out on the front screen saying reasons that it's fair or unfair, and went into Thursday ready to write. Started doing the writing on Thursday. A lot of people got 2 or 3 of the paragraphs done out of the 5, and that means that today you were finishing up those 5 paragraphs and getting it to look nice and pretty before you turn it in before midnight tonight. There are videos for every step of the way on this. I think I put 8 videos online about the Hammurabi DBQ. So there should be video information on every single step of the process. And so if people who are home, you're getting the same information as the people who are face-to-face in the same way they're getting it. And I'm trying very hard to make sure that that continues for everyone, especially now in 7th grade. We have so many people who are out. It's very important that everybody stays caught up. For those of you who aren't used to doing the remote, make sure that you are watching for videos to come out pretty much daily, especially if we're doing something out of the ordinary. If we're doing just a regular RITP, probably not going to have a video on how to do that. But if anything else that's a little bit out of the ordinary, make sure you're looking for videos on that, bringing us to the coming week. Notice we have a new essential question: how have rivers changed mankind? So we'll look at the essential question video on Monday. We'll do a homeland exercise on Monday, watch a couple of Mr. Nicky videos on Monday. Tuesday we'll do chapter 11 section 1 and watch some horrible history. I'm working hard on getting those in a way that I can send home as well, so you get to enjoy those. Wednesday is 11.2, Thursday is 11.3 plus a chart and a crash course on Egypt, because chapter 11 is on Egypt. And Friday, while you're home again, you are going to finish up chapter 4 with the last RITP excuse me, and be ready for a chapter 11 test the following Tuesday, November 10th, for chapter 11. So that's where we're at for this week and next week, and I'll see you guys soon.